I could stay like this, forever following.
Hey there, I'm Lindsay, homestead homemaker, and today I'm over at a friend's house. She is a full-time work-at-home mom. She works really hard on her business, and she has a 3-year-old that runs around and stays at home with her during the day. And I understand the struggle because I've been there, and I thought I would just help her out and get her kitchen back to normal.
I just want us to always be, to always be.
I'm going to start out by handling the dishes, and then I'm going to move on to cleaning off the countertops and getting those wiped down. By no means a deep clean, it's just getting everything back to normal for her kitchen.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? And don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? And don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Oh my God.
Here I'm just clearing the counters off, so Britt, if you're looking for anything, maybe you'll figure out where it went here.
You said Yes, I did it all for love. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fools gold. Yes, I did.
Here I'm just decluttering some of the things that she had on her windowsill. And here I'm just putting some things away in the pantry for her, clearing off this other space. And obviously here I'm just taking out the trash and replacing the trash can, and then I'll sweep up the floor and clean the walls. I'm just hand washing a few dishes that needed to be hand washed. Like, she doesn't like to stick her knives in the dishwasher just in case the 3-year-old comes in there. So just doing that, and then I will clean the sink and put it away. thanks for sticking it around and watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go by and consider doing so. Check it out. I have something for everybody. I'm going to link to Brittany's Etsy store down below, so you can go check that out. And she's about to be booming for Christmas, so if you guys see something that you like, you can go ahead and place your order now. A big thank you to Brittany for letting me clean her kitchen and help her out today. And thank you for viewing, liking, and or subscribing. And we will see you in the next one.